Hello, good morning. How are you, my dear students? Are you fine, feeling well, happy, delighted, cheerful? Okay, that's great. That you are fine and I'm still fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Salam, ګرانو زده کوونکو سهار په خیر. په دې هیله چې روغ جوړ او صحتمند اوسئ. ګرانو زده کوونکو بیا هم زه ستاسې د انګلیسي د ژبې استاد هلال احمد محرس یم. Okay, today we are going to talk about Unit 4, page 23 in the classroom. The title of the unit is In the Classroom. ګرانو زده کوونکو زموږ د نن ورځې درس دی صفحه درویشتمه څلورم څپرکی In the Classroom. Open your books. Unit 4, page 23. What is the objective of this unit? دغه unit یا دغه څپرکي موخې یا اهداف څه شی دی؟ Understanding classroom instructions and vocabulary. Writing and spelling classroom related words. In this unit, my dear students, I'm going to teach you the classroom instructions, like open your book, listen to me, look at the board, repeat after me, turn to page 10 or turn the page. You know, I'm going to teach you all the classroom instructions when a teacher is telling you something, so how to understand your teacher, right? We were talking about all these things. ګرانو زده کوونکو زموږ د نن ورځې درس موخې اهداف دا دی چې د ټولګي په اړوند کلمو او لارښوونو پوهېدل او د ټولګي د اړوند کلمو لیکل او سپل کول. A. Vocabulary presentation. Vocabulary presentation. You know, in this presentation we are having almost 9 instructions. How many instructions do we have? 9 instructions, right? You know, in these 9 instructions, what do we have? What are these 9 instructions? په دغه A exercise کې موږ او تاسې 9 لارښوونې لرو، 9 instructions لرو. I'm going to present them one by one. زه به تاسې ته یو در وښیم. I'm going to start with the first one. You know, on the book, the first one, there is something like this. So what's this? This is a book. What is this? This is a book. This is a book. This is the first picture in your book, page 23. Vocabulary, right? Vocabulary presentation. And what is the next picture, right? The next picture is this one. And what do you think about this picture, right? This is also a book. And this is also a book, right? This is the next picture. We're going to talk about this picture later. دا هم یو تصویر د کتاب دی او دا هم یو تصویر د کتاب دی. د دواړو په اړه وروسته خبرې کوو. سمه ده؟ Okay. This is picture 2. And you know, what do we have after this? لدينا وروسته څه شی لرو. This is the third picture. And it's also about the book. دا دریم تصویر دی او دا هم کتاب دی. Right? So let's put it also on the board. This is the next picture. And it's also book. دا هم کتاب دی. And after this, the next picture that we are going to have is, wow, again about the book. بیا هم د کتاب په اړه دی. Right? Okay, let's also put it here on the board. I hope it's seen to you, right? This is also about the book. Picture 1, this is picture 2, and this is picture 3. And these pictures are all about the books, right? Okay, and what is the next picture after this? This is the next picture. دا هم بل تصویر دی, right? Okay, let's also put this picture here. This is another picture and let's put it down here. Okay, and you know, what is the next picture? This is the next picture. What do you see? په دې تصویر کې تاسو څه شی وینئ؟ Okay, we will talk about it. د ټولو تصویرونو انځورونو په اړه خبرې کوو. سمه ده؟ This is the next picture. Let's put it here. دا دلته کېږدو. And what do we have after this? We have this one. This is the next picture. Okay, دا هم بل تصویر دی. د دې په اړه هم خبرې کوو. Okay, these are all pictures that I just put them on the board, right? And we are going to talk about all of them individually. Like, what are these pictures about? This is the next picture. This is the next picture, right? And we are also talking about this picture later on. And like, what are all these pictures about? What do these pictures say? We will talk about it. Don't worry. Right? Okay. This is the next picture. And I'm going to show you the last picture. This is the last picture. دا هم آخری تصویر دی. انځور دی. او هوس د ټولو انځورونو په اړه خبرې کوو. This is the next picture. Right? Okay. It cannot be pasted there. Right? But we will talk about this picture later on. Dear students, let's start. راځئ چې پیل کړو. Picture 1. Picture 1. اول تصویر. ګرانو زده کوونکو خپل کتابونه خلاص کړئ. صفحه درویشتمه دی. Page 23. درویشتمه صفحه دی. Vocabulary presentation. د vocabulary او یا د لغاتونو څه شی؟ presentation. یعنی وړاندې کول. پیشکش. Right? Okay. What do we have here? دلته موږ څه شی لرو؟ We have some words. موږ یو څو لغاتونه لرو. د دغو نهو تصویرونو لاندې. Hold, open, turn, read, talk, listen, repeat, write, and look at. We have these instructions. موږ دغه لارښوونې لرو د دغو نهو انځورونو لاندې. Let's translate. What does each word mean? هر کلمه یا هر لغت څه معنا ورکوي؟ Hold. What does hold mean? What does hold mean? Hold څه معنا؟ Hold معنا نیول. Look, I am holding a book. ما یو کتاب څه کړی؟ نیولی. I am holding a book. ما کتاب نیولی. It's called holding, right? Like, for example, if somebody says, hold up your book. کتابونه مو پورته ونیسئ. It's called hold up. It's called hold. دته hold وي او hold up معنا پورته نیول. Up معنا پورته نیول. So hold up پورته نیول او hold معنا نیول. Hold your book. خپل کتاب ونیسه. Hold, right? What is the next? Open. What does open mean? Open څه معنا؟ Open معنا خلاصول. Open معنا خلاصول. Turn. Turn معنا بدلول یا اړول. Turn. Read. Read. What does read mean? Read څه معنا؟ Read معنا لوستل. Talk. Talk معنا خبرې کول. Listen. Listen معنا غوږ نیول. Repeat. Repeat معنا تکرارول. Write معنا لیکل. Write. And look at. Look at معنا لیدل. Look at. Look at the board. تختې ته وګورئ. Look at me. ما ته وګورئ. Look at this. دته وګورئ. Right? Look at معنا لیدل. Right? These are the words. دا کلمې ولې. Now, what do we do after this? اوس لدنه ورسته څه کوو؟ Vocabulary usage. اوس د دغو لغاتونو استعمال دی. کوم لغاتونه چې دلته ما تاسو ته ویل، اوس دغه لغاتونه د هر تصویر لپاره استعمالوو. Right? Okay. Now, student A. یو شاګرد به څه وایي چې look at exercise A. اول exercise ته وګورئ. د exercise ته Look at exercise B, say the words. The exercise B ته وګورئ او هر کلمه ووایئ. Point to the picture of part A and change rules and repeat. Now listen. We have some words in exercise A. مونږ په اول exercise کې یو څو لغاتونه لرو. اوس دغه لغاتونه د دغه هر تصویر لپاره په کار وړل کیږي. په کوم exercise کې؟ په exercise B کې. Let's start. راځئ چې شروع وکړو. Number 1. What is this? دا څه شی دی؟ What is this? دا څه شی دی؟ So what do you see here? What's this? This is a book. This is a book. دا یو کتاب دی. This is a book. Right? Picture 2. Open your book. Look, what does open mean? Open معنا خلاصول. ما تاسو ته وړاندې ویل. So open معنا خلاصول. Open your book. ګورئ کتاب خلاص کړئ کنه. نو open your book. څه معنا؟ Open your book. معنا کتاب مو خلاص کړئ. Open the door. دروازه خلاصه کړئ. Open the window. کړکۍ خلاصه کړئ. ګورئ open معنا خلاصول. The next is turn. Turn to. Look, turn to. Turn to page. کومه صفحه چې وي د هماغه صفحې نوم بیا واخلئ. Turn to page 10. یا turn to page 8. دلته کتاب کې اته لیکلي. معنا اتمې صفحې ته ولاړ شئ، یعنی اتمې صفحه راواړوئ. Turn to page 8 معنا اتمه صفحه راواړوئ. The next is what do you see here? Here we have read. What? Read. Read څه معنا؟ معنا ولولئ. Read. Read what? څه شی ولولما؟ Page 10. لسمه صفحه ولولئ. یا 14. سوال لسمه صفحه. What do you see here? Talk. څه شی؟ دا خبرې دي. خبرو ته څه وایي؟ Talk. Talk to your partner. Talk to your partner. خپل د ملګري سره خبرې وکړئ. The next is what does this picture mean? Listen. What? Listen. Listen څه معنا؟ غوږ شه. Listen. And the next picture, it is repeat. What? Repeat. کله چې استاد وایي repeat after me. لکه مثال تاسو یو لغت وایم open. Repeat after me. ما پسې تکرار کړئ. Open. Now here repeat. So before this is repeat. Repeat. یعنی تکرار کړئ. Next picture, write. What does this picture mean? Write. Write معنا لیکل. Write. And what does this picture mean? Look at. وګوره. څه شي ته وګوره. Look at the board. تختې ته وګوره. Look at me. ما ته وګوره. Look at this. دته وګوره. Look at. وګورئ. Look at. LOOK. Look at. وګوره. Look at shape. Look at the board. Right? Okay, dear students, this was your today's lesson about the classroom instructions. The sinfia, the sasi, the ټولګي لارښوونې چې کوم لارښوونې د استاد له طرفه تاسو ته ویل کیږي په صنف کې. Classroom instructions. This was our today's lesson and I hope you learned a lot. په دې هیله چې تاسو ډېر څه زده کړي او د نن ورځې درس تاسو ته ګټور تمام شوي. تر بیا درس ته پورې تاسو په لوی رب باندې سپارم. ښه ورځ. د خدای په امان.